Morning, Nitesh.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
What's your name?
Nitesh,
In which class do you study?
fourth class.
Okay, you have to make the shape square with this toothpicks. For which shape?
Square.
Square. Okay, write down 4. Okay, Nitesh, now make the rectangle.
2.
Good. कितने स्टिक यूज करी आपने? 8. Now write down 8. This is rectangle. Now make the triangle. How many sticks? 3. Dikshit, you have to make the cube with the clay and check you are able to make the cube with the clay or not. Okay? What did you make?
Cube.
Very good. Varis, what are you making? Show me. Which shape is this? Cuboid. Good. Swana, what are you making? Which shape? Cone. Okay, Lakshit.
Cube.
Cube. You are making cube shape? Cube is 3D or 2D?
3D.
Good. Which shape is this?
Cylindrical.
Good. Are you able to make the cylindrical shape with the clay?
Yes.
Good. Suhana, show me your shape. Cone shape. Good.
Some cones.
You can make the cone with clay?
Yes.
Are you able to make the cone with clay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.